Welcome to the how-to process for the SIFAX billing ePay platform. First, you go to your browser. Then on the URL tab, you type sifaxgroup.com. You wait for the page to load. Then you click on PCHS ePay. You'll be redirected to a new tab. Then you click on request registration. Note you have to be a registered agent. On the request registration form page, you will be asked to fill some details. So you will have to enter your email address, phone number, and select your agency. Kindly note the BVN part is not compulsory. Once you're done, click on submit. An OTP will be sent to you to verify or to approve your account. Please check your inbox or your spam mail for the OTP. Now enter the OTP sent to your mailbox. Once you're done, click on submit. An email will be sent to you with a unique ID confirming your registration approval. Enter the unique ID and click on validate. Then you'll be sent to a page to confirm your agent details and set your password. Click here to generate password. A password reset mail will be sent to your mailbox. Check your spam mails and inbox. Click on the confirm button from your email to reset your password. Then you verify your agent details and set a new password. Kindly set a password you won't forget. Then you click on reset password. Then you enter your email and password. Once you have a successful login, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Then at the left corner, you will see invoices. Click on invoices and then you will click on new invoices. Enter your bill of lading and click submit. Review the bill of lading, then enter your rating date and select your payment method. Advise to choose NIMS. And then click on view charges. Review the charges and make sure you're satisfied with what you're seeing, and then click generate.